Nida. So magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. All over Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and I hope international. Wow! Good morning, magandang tanghali or magandang gabi kung nasan man po kayo ngayon. So thank you po sa pag-join and sa pag-support today um, sa ating virtual nutrition club, sa ating mga regulars, first-time guests. So gusto ko pong ipakilala ang aking sarili. Ako po si Cheng Giliarte, 31 years old. So ang aking product results po, ginamit ko po yung Herbalife products for weight loss, sa aking pong sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete, sa aking pong dalawang pregnancy journey. So as my nutrition partner, of course, with the approval of my OB, and of course, prenatal supplements ko po ang Herbalife products. And up until now na nagbe-breastfeeding po for 2 years and 5 months. So favorite products ko po, lahat po talaga. So to name ng mga products po, of course, yung ating healthy breakfast, aloe tea shake, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals, personalized protein powder, NRG, Extra Cal, Mineral Herbal Complex, Herbalife Line, Nightworks, and Cell Complex, of course, fiber and herbs. So, lahat po talaga tinake ko yung products before, during, and after pregnancy. So now I am ready for my version 3. And dati po I am a special education teacher. So with that po talagang nandyan yung traffic, papasok ng school, yung mga deadlines, merong hinahabol na time na 8 to 5, 7 to 5 job. So pumasok din po yung stress eating dahil pagod na pagod sa mga lesson plans, yan, sa mga paghahabol sa mga bata, di ba? With that, nag-isip po ako ng way paano ko ba mamamaximize yung results ko with Herbalife. So, ginrab ko po yung amazing business opportunity with Herbalife. So, I am thankful and grateful sa akin pong mga sponsors and sa coach na nag-guide po sa akin. So, with Herbalife, nabigyan niya po ako ng flexible schedule so I can work anytime, anywhere. So, minaximize ko din po yung best level na 50% discount. And I got to be a present mom or a parent right now. And of course, yung time freedom. So, yun po yung nagustuhan ko na naibigay sa akin ng Herbalife opportunity. So, with that po, I want to share to you yung ating special topic for this day, which is carbohydrates and exercise. So why you need carbs if you're active? So lahat po ng physical activity na inyong ginagawa, that is considered an exercise na po. And you are already an active individual. So this article po is from Dr. Dana Ryan, our sports performance and education director. Okay. So let's get to know a little bit about carbs. Let's watch this video.
Carbohydrates are one of the big three macronutrients, along with protein and fat. When you eat carbohydrate, it enters your bloodstream in a form called glucose, which is your body's preferred source of fuel. And your brain, in fact, relies on carbohydrate for energy. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are some of the best sources of carbohydrates. When people say that carbohydrates are bad or should be avoided, they're usually talking about sugars and refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and noodles. Limiting your intake of sugar and refined carbohydrates is generally a good idea, though, because the calories can add up quickly, and these foods don't offer much in the way of vitamins, minerals, or fiber. But you still want to give your body the carbohydrate that it needs from the better sources.
All right. So according to Susan Bowerman, we should limit our refined carbohydrates, which we can get from bread, white rice, noodles. And we should maximize yung ating intake of complex carbohydrates that we can get from fruits and vegetables. So carbohydrates are the most important source of fuel in an athlete's diet. So remember, we are all athletes. We have our athletes in us, according to Dr. Dana Ryan. So, isipin mo na you have an athlete in your inside you. Yan. So talagang kailangan natin yung carbohydrates, and carbohydrates is our friend. So, let's talk about yung 5 reasons bakit natin kailangan hindi iwasan or i-avoid yung carbohydrates. And why is it beneficial to our body? So, number 1, carbohydrates fuel the brain and muscles. So, of course, yung carbohydrates, yan yung main source ng energy sa ating brain pa lang. And it is the fastest way para mag-produce ng energy. So, kailangan natin ng carbohydrates. So, it's like, yung carbohydrates, it's for our body. And tulad ng sa isang kotse, ang kailangan to move is the fuel. So, it's like that. So, number 2 reason po, carbohydrates prevent muscle breakdown. So, para po ma-prevent yung muscle breakdown, kailangan natin kumain ng enough carbohydrates para po naman ay yung protein magawa niya yung job niya, yung main job niya na mag-repair and rebuild ng muscle tissue. And if we not eat enough carbohydrates and if we limit the carbohydrates intake, yung protein po ang magiging job niya is an energy source. And hindi niya po mai-utilize yung job niya na mag-build ng lean muscles. So yun po. So we need to balance yung carbohydrates and protein. Kasi yun po yung key to recovery. So remember po yun. Combination of protein plus carbohydrates is actually the key to recovery. Yan. Okay. And number 3 po, reason is carbohydrates should make up the majority of the diet. So for athletes po, yung talagang merong daily demands ng training and exercise, yung mga intense, yung mga strenuous exercise, kailangan po ng high carb diet para po masustain yung energy nila throughout the training and exercise. And of course, for us na we have our physical activity that varies. So meron pong light lang, moderate, or heavy yan. So nagba-vary po doon yung kailangan na intake natin na carbohydrates. But it's always kailangan po majority ng diet ay meron pa rin pong carbohydrates. So number 4 reason po, carbohydrates before a workout will boost your performance. So kailangan pong i-fuel yung ating katawan ng adequate carbs 1 to 2 hours bago po tayo mag-exercise para po matulungan yung ating glucose, yung blood levels po niya sa ating muscles ay ma-maintain po sa optimal level. Okay? And we should choose yung mga pre-workout snacks na mabilis pong ma-digest. For example po, of course, banana, mga granola bars, and of course, we have our Formula 1 Sport, the Herbalife 24 line. So, ayan po. To support yung ating lean muscle mass. And it has milk protein. Ayan. So, number 5 reason po. Carbohydrates accelerate recovery. That is our top 5 reason bakit po natin kailangan ng carbohydrates and bakit po natin wag i-avoid ang carbohydrates. So, paano po nakakatulong yung carbohydrates sa recovery? So, of course, if we consume carbohydrates after workout, matutulungan niya pong ma-replenish yung mga natanggal po nating energy during the exercise, kung ano man pong exercise ang inyong ginawa. And just like what I said kanina po, na muscles can help to recover with the combination of carbohydrates and protein para po mas maging stronger and leaner yung ating muscles. And ano pa po ang isang best helpful na gawin para mag-recover is a complete and quality sleep. Yan. All right. So ito po ang isang Herbalife 24 product line din. One of my favorite din, Rebuild Strength. So talagang can't resist after a workup. Sobrang sarap. Chocolatey. Yan. So talagang mafe-feel mo na walang pagod, walang sore sa muscles. Yan. So you can try this, the Rebuild Strength. Of course, Herbalife is a super brand in the Philippines. So why not say yes to all these products for a good nutrition? And saan pa tayo? Because Herbalife is the #1 in the world in meal replacement, weight management, and active and lifestyle nutrition. So thank you so much po and have a great day. Back to you.
Ayan.